Most of us have remote meetings for work or school, some of us nearly every day. Miro works like other remote meeting software with video chat and screen sharing. You can see and talk to each other and live share media like PowerPoint slides or PDF documents. Miro's patented technology does something even better. It lets you give a presentation like the weatherman, putting you in the same visual space as your shared media. You can upload a PowerPoint or PDF file and display its content layered over the video stream from your webcam as shown here. What you're seeing now is a live recording of Miro in action. Your presentations are better when you're a part of them, pointing and waving to direct attention and sharing your body language and facial expression with your audience. It's a step closer to being there in person, even when you can't. Anyone in the meeting can take turns as the broadcaster, whether to ask questions or to take over for part of the meeting. You can try Miro for free. You can always have meetings with 3 or fewer participants at no charge. If you need to have meetings with 4 or more attendees, you can subscribe to Miro for a low monthly rate. Find out how to boost your organization's productivity and creativity with a better collaborative experience.